My coffee ritual begins pretty much every day at 7 o'clock. It's changed a lot in the last year or so, now that I'm transitioning from working in a cafe every single day to being a home barista. It's been quite difficult for me to transition from working in a cafe to working at home. However, using the Sage Dual Boiler, it's been a lot easier for me. The Steam 1 power is exactly what I need to produce the same quality of coffee at home as it is at work. It allows me to practice latte art, and it helps me to produce good quality microfoam, which is what everybody looks for when they're trying to make good coffee at home. So part of my coffee ritual obviously involves making my coffee. So I start by weighing out my shots meticulously. I think that it gets rid of the fear of having an inconsistent dose in the morning. It means that I don't waste so much coffee at home, and it means that I can create a good quality beverage. Once I've weighed my coffee, I always like to start out my day with a flat white. It's what I've always done. Consistency that I get from having the same coffee to start my day means that my palate's ready for testing coffee the rest of the day. I always try to practice latte art first thing in the morning. It's what I always do, it's what I'm good at. But it means that the first coffee I do sets me on a good tone for the rest of the day. Whether it's filming, just making for myself, or whether I'm back in the cafe setting. I think that the first coffee of the day should always be a good one, and it means that I can tackle whatever I'm supposed to be doing that day, and it means that I'm able to talk to humans. And that's my coffee ritual.